Beautiful photos from the first bridal photoshoot of innocent Pakistani actress Hiba Bukhari have gone viral on social media. She doesn't like to do most of the photoshoots. She works in photoshoots that suit her mood. And seeing their innocence, everyone becomes their fan. Pakistani actress and model Hiba Bukhari is now 32 years old. And she's single now, and she doesn't want to get married. Because she is looking for a good boy, and on the day she finds a good boy she will marry him immediately. Because she is a simple girl. Hiba Bukhari has performed brilliantly with actor Danish Timer in Geo TV drama serial Diwangi. And people liked her drama immensely. On the other hand, one of her specialties is that she is never seen at showbiz parties because she is not allowed by her family. She only shoots on the day of the shooting and stays at home all day. But in today's article we will see that when Pakistani actress Hiba Bukhari first appeared in a bridal photoshoot, she looked very beautiful and looked like a princess of the Mughal era. And the red rose in her hands was adding to the beauty of her suit. So let's take a look at their new photoshoot. Did you guys also like Hiba Bukhari for the first time in a bridal photoshoot? If so, will definitely tell us in the comments section below. Thanks.